Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Dog washing service.
Dear Arizona, I really want this new bike that I saw. The thing is, I already have an old bike, which my dad says is perfectly good. I don't want to sound like a spoiled brat, but I need that new bike. How do I get my dad to buy it for me? Wishing for wheels. Dear Wishing, if your dad is anything like my dad, you can wish until pigs fly, and he still won't change his mind. If you seriously need those new wheels, I'm guessing you're going to be buying them yourself. Calm down. I know what you're thinking. I'm just a kid. How am I supposed to find that kind of money? But listen, I'm living proof that it can work. You just have to come up with the right business plan. When my friend Ollie and I tried to earn money for a skateboard ramp, you should have seen some of our job disasters. Fresh squeezed lemonade, only $5 a cup, Ollie called out. Not $5, I scolded. Nobody's going to buy a teensy cup of lemonade for $5. Ollie frowned. Well, if we keep charging 25 cents a cup, we're going to end up losing money. Ollie, trust me, I said. I've grown up in the grocery store business. Let me explain how it works. Our customers will be so happy to get a good deal that they'll keep coming back for more. Well, I was right, and we sold out of lemonade. Unfortunately, Ollie was right too. It turned out that the lemons, sugar, and cups cost us $2.67 more than we ended up making. I knew we should have charged more, said Ollie. Fine, I told him. If you're so smart, you figure out how we're going to make enough money to buy that ramp. Fine, I will, said Ollie. To be honest, I didn't know if Ollie was serious. But the next day, he showed up at my house all ready to go. What are those buckets for? I asked. Ollie Zona's washing company, he answered. I said. And what exactly does Ollie Zona's washing company wash? Everything, said Ollie. For a mere 5 buckaroos, Ollie Zona's washing company will wash any single item. Are you sure about this? I asked. Sure, I'm sure, said Ollie. My parents were even less sure about Ollie's plan than I was. But they decided that if we stayed right in front of the grocery store where they could see us, we could try it out. So Ollie and I made a sign, filled up our buckets, and set up shop. Hola, Arizona and Ollie, said my neighbor, Señor Gonzalez, who was walking his new puppy. Would you kids mind looking after Paquito while I run into the grocery store? You should know that Paquito means little Paco in Spanish. You should also know that Señor Gonzalez's dog is about as little as an elephant. We'd love to watch him, said Ollie. And for only $5, we'll wash him too. Why not? Said Señor Gonzalez. This dog can always use a bath. Well, it turns out that using a tiny little sponge to wash an unbelievably excited, amazingly gigantic animal who happens to be jumping all over the place and licking you with a tongue the size of Texas is actually not the best idea in the world. In the end, Ollie and I were soaked to the bone, while Paquito didn't look very different at all. please, oh, please remind me never to listen to another one of your lousy money-making ideas as long as I live, I begged Ollie. Oh, Paquito, Senor Gonzalez said, handing us a $5 bill. You have never looked more beautiful. Gracias, I thanked Senor Gonzalez in Spanish. But I don't think you should pay us. I mean, Paquito isn't much cleaner than he was before. That is true, said Senor Gonzalez, laughing. But this dog had so much fun with you too that I'm happy to pay you. After that, my mom helped us set up a garden hose, and business took off. We washed bicycles, baby strollers, more dogs, smaller ones, and all kinds of other things. Believe it or not, by the end of the day, we had enough money to buy our new skateboard ramp. So, dear Wishing, unless you like getting completely soaked, you might not want to try Ollie's washing idea. But if you really want that bike, I'm sure you'll come up with some fabulous business plan that's perfect for you.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.